love it.
I know. It's.
You might have one.
No, no.
Make sure that is. You're the first person.
You'll be good.
Oh yeah. I think you're the first person he's hugging when he gets out.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm gonna hug your phone right into the palm.
Do I just let it spill over the top, or do I let her go now?
I think you can let her go.
All right.
Oh no!
Oh my God, you're so gross, guys. You're dead, man. Better hand me your phone.
Honey, we gotta go.
Oh, here. So you start down the course. When did you know you were in trouble?
I didn't until I was in the water.
Oh.
Otherwise, it was great.
Yes.
So you want to try again?
Not backwards.
Not backwards, but forwards.
Forwards we could do.
Okay. What is the worst has happened? Look at it this way.
That's the wrong way.
You've been pre-disastered.
Your son is here.
What was your first thought when you ended up in the water?
It's not. That's not safe for television.
Okay.
Actually, no. My first thought was.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, I think it's breaking, Rich.
No, get into the boat now.
Yeah, you gotta get in the boat now.
No, not yet.
You don't have time for this. Go.
Look, this was your brilliant idea.
Yeah. Well, let's save my hat at least.
Oh.
I was gonna.
Alrighty. Are we gonna do it?
Just remember that
Aubrey?
Hang on.
Hold on. Aubrey's gonna.
Hold on.
This isn't on me, all right? I didn't-
Okay.
What about the watch?
Which way did you swim? That way last time? Oh, man. Let's go.